You have just learned that you are the beneficiary in the will of your late Aunt Susan. The executrix of her estate has given you three options as to how you may receive your inheritance. If you can invest your money at a 12% rate of return, which option would you prefer? Option A is that you receive $50,000 immediately, which means the present value factor would be 1. We won't discount this at all, since the present value of $50,000 received today is that same $50,000. The second option is that we may receive $75,000 at the end of 6 years. The present value interest factor at 12% interest in 6 years is 0.507. To calculate the present value then, by using our factor, we multiply the 75,000 by the 0.507 and find we have a present value of $38,025. Essentially, this means if we had $38,025 today and could invest it at 12% interest, at the end of 6 years, we would have that $75,000. If you're using your financial calculator to solve this, you would enter 6 for the number of periods, 12 for the interest rate, 0 for the payment since it doesn't involve an annuity, and 75,000 for the future value, and solve for the present value, and you would get $37,997. Option C, we can receive $12,000 at the end of each year for the next 6 years for a total of $72,000. The $12,000 at the end of each year is an annuity cash flow, so we'll look up the present value annuity factor at 6 years and 12% interest, and we get 4.111. To find the present value then, we multiply the $12,000 a year annual cash flow by the 4.111 present value annuity factor, and we get a total present value of $49,332. Using your financial calculator, we would enter 6 for the number of periods, 12 for the interest rate, and now 12,000 would be interest in the payment field and 0 for the future value. And finally, we would solve for the present value and get $49,337. We would select option A given the choice, since it has the highest present value of $50,000.